Hey! Stop! Get back! Stop! Okay! Get back!
What are you doing?
Get back!
Why are you doing this to my husband? I'm not. I did nothing wrong. I have my kids to get back home to. Damn you. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I didn't do anything.
On March 3rd, 2023, around 2:50 p.m., a deputy with the Bernalillo County Sheriff's Office conducted a routine traffic stop that quickly escalated into a forceful encounter. According to the body cam footage, the deputy approached a vehicle for a traffic violation, but the driver refused multiple commands to step out. The passenger also became verbally confrontational as the situation escalated and both individuals continued to ignore lawful orders.
Stay in your car. Stay in your car.
I do.
Get in your car.
Why are you gonna tase me, bro?
Get in your car.
What did I do? Why are you gonna tase me, bro?
Get in your
How
car.
am I threatening you? Dude, I have all my paperwork.
Please
Don't. Ah! Stop! Bro! Dude!
He was bad.
I don't care.
Cut it out!
Don't do that. My husband is not bad. Cut it out.
Stop, bro! I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
Leave him alone.
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything, bro. What the f?
Oh my
Dude, it's a
goodness.
traffic stop.
No, you know what?
Am I not?
45 or so.
Do I not have the right to get out of my vehicle?
Right off New Mexico.
Do I not have the right to get out of my vehicle? Do I not have the right?
Turn around.
For what?
No, you are not arresting him.
What
Turn
did
around.
What did I do?
Turn around.
Okay. Go
Turn around.
f you.
You know what?
Turn around.
You.
Turn around.
I'm around.
What?
Stand back. You can talk to me
No,
after.
no.
Let me do it. Turn around.
I'm around.
Put your hands
I'm
behind your
around.
back. Put your hands behind your back.
They're right here.
All the way.
That's my.
Turn around.
I got broad shoulders.
Turn around.
You. Film this shit,
Are
babe.
you serious?
Film this shit.
I have kids.
Bro, I
Turn
didn't.
around.
Shut the f up. Cuff me then. Cuff me.
Turn
You're
around.
violating
Turn
my
your
rights.
head.
You're
Turn your
violating
head
my
around.
rights.
Turn your head around.
I have the right to step
Turn
out of
your-
my f***ing vehicle.
Turn your head around.
Are you?
I have the right to get out of my vehicle. You tased me. I was not a f***ing threat.
Turn around.
I'm around. Babe, close my door. This fool. Go ahead. Arrest me.
Are you?
This fool. You tase me. Fucking tase me.
I'm trying to keep her
You
away
got
from
me.
me.
No, you
I understand
have
you. I'm just
yeah,
trying to keep her back.
Give my keys. Close the door.
Just
Yeah.
trying to keep her back from me.
Bro, you don't have to do it so
You have
f***ing
some
tight.
damn nerve. This is ridiculous.
Get back in the car, ma'am, or you're going to
I'm
cuffs
not-
too.
What are you gonna take me to?
Yeah, you fucking. You're a fucking faggot. Babe, get this off.
Stop.
Hey, stop.
Are you
Oh,
seriously
babe,
doing
around.
anything?
Babe, film it.
Hey, stop. Get back. Stop. Okay. Get back.
What are you doing?
Get back.
Why are you doing this to my husband? Are
Hey, I'm
you
down.
serious?
I'm fucking down. I'm down. I'm down.
This is ridiculous. You are out of line. I don't give a shit if you work for the
Babe.
law.
I'm perfectly calm, sir. Perfectly f***ing calm.
Get her calm down.
Babe, calm down.
Oh, I'm calm. I'm as
You know
calm
Michael
as
S.
can be,
Benton?
and I got you on video.
You know Michael S. Benton?
Stand up, and you're getting in my car.
You know, oh, hang on. Oh,
Turn.
oh,
You stand after me.
dude, my head, hang on.
Stand
Dude,
up.
Hang on, my head, dude, I'm like f***ing dizzy.
Okay, stand
Dude,
up.
please, I'm f***ing literally fading in and out.
And of course,
I'm helping you
Dude,
up. Get
you
up.
slammed me on my head, man. Oh, dude. Babe, lock my car, please.
yeah, no, you gotta do that.
Have a seat.
Yeah, sir, please. Hang on, dude, please. I'm f***ing.
Have a seat.
Oh.
54.
45 is negative. I need a unit.
206, 54.
Negative. I need a unit. 10 through the air. Turn around.
No, you're
Turn around.
Not today. I'm
Turn
sorry.
around.
I'm not.
Turn around.
I did nothing wrong.
Turn around.
Leave me alone.
Turn around.
Leave me alone.
Turn
I did
around.
nothing wrong.
Turn around.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I did nothing wrong. Okay? I did nothing wrong. You're upset because
Turn
I'm
around.
filming you right now.
Turn around.
I'm not. I'm not. I did nothing wrong. I have my kids to get back home to. Damn you. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I didn't do anything. What the? I didn't do anything.
You're on a barbed wire fence. Get off.
I did not
Turn-
do anything. Leave me alone. Help! Help! Help me! Help! Help! Stop! What the fuck?
You're on the ground.
What the fuck? I didn't do anything!
You're on the ground.
Oh! What is your problem?
Give me your arm.
I'm not shooting you! You're hurting me! I'm a female! I'm a female! Help me! I didn't do anything!
Let go of my hand.
I was... I didn't fucking do anything! I didn't do anything! Please let me go! Let me go and I can get off, please! Help me! You're hurting me! Help me! You're hurting me!
Put your hands behind your back and stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. You're hurting me. You're hurting me. I have to stand. What is your problem?
Give me your hand.
Help me. He's hurting me. I can't. He's hurting me. He's shoving my hand in the ground. Please stop. I'm trying to grab my other arm. Please let me go. Oh my God. I didn't do anything. I was standing by my car. He pulled us over. And I didn't do anything, officer.
Don't resist.
Why would you do this? Oh my goodness. Do not pull my pants. Do not touch my body. Why would... Why would you do that?
You know the address?
Oh, please, please. What did you do? Oh.
It's on Ranch Road.
What is it?
15 Ranch is where I'm headed, so it's on Ranch Road.
Oh my goodness. Why would you...
15 Ranch Road.
I didn't do anything. I have
Use
my
of force.
kids. I need to pick them up from school. We didn't do anything. Please, do not grab my arm harder.
Walk.
Don't you see me walking? You are what's wrong with the law. You were very wrong. Remember that. You will not get away with this.
Do not pull away from me.
North 14 and Forest Park.
Why are you grabbing me?
You do not grab onto my hand.
No, I did not, officer. Ow, 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 ow.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. Sir, please. He is hurting me. Please, you're hurting me.
Stop moving.
I'm not just
Put your arms behind
okay,
you.
but don't yank my arm like that, sir.
You do not grab onto my hand.
Why would you?
1466.
Why would you do that?
I got it. Turn around, come on.
Hold on, sir. Please, my leg hurts. He slammed me into the ground.
Come on. Let's go stand over here. We have somebody coming to check you out.
Why would you do that?
Come over here.
Sorry, I'm a little fainty.
Okay.
Please
That's better
slam
for you
my
to sit
head
down then.
into the ground.
Turn around.
Please,
Back
please,
here.
okay, give me a second.
Okay, hold on. Let me double cuff these so they don't tighten up on you. Okay?
Will you do me a favor?
Bend over at the waist just a little bit. Okay.
I have 3 kids. They will be getting out of daycare soon. If you could call my mother at
Okay,
least.
hold on. Have a seat right there.
I'm getting in.
Okay.
What? I didn't do anything wrong. Did he tell you anything, or?
No, I just got here.
I stood outside my vehicle because my husband got tased when, like, walking back to his car. He tased him, and I grabbed my phone.
What's your name?
Jalissa.
Huh? Take a deep breath. What's your name?
It's Jalissa.
Jalissa?
Yes.
Can you spell that for me?
Please, I am telling you, I did nothing wrong.
Okay.
He slammed me into the ground. Who does that? I didn't refuse nothing. I was standing on my side of the vehicle near the trunk area. He told me not to get close. I recorded him as he slammed my husband on the ground, and I don't think he liked that, which is why he came towards my vehicle. I didn't go towards him. He came towards me as I was standing towards the trunk area on the passenger side, and he told me to put my hands behind. I did nothing wrong, so why should I have to put my hands behind my back? I did nothing wrong. He was upset because I recorded him, who's supposed to be an officer of the law, slamming my husband into the ground.
Wait right here. They're gonna come and check you out, okay? Okay? So just wait right here.
In the end, both the driver and passenger were arrested and charged with resisting and obstructing after refusing multiple commands during the stop. The driver also faced additional traffic-related charges. As for the deputy, the taser deployment triggered an internal review, and he was placed on administrative leave while the department investigates whether his use of force followed policy.